Let's make Thai soup today. Thai soup, home recipe. In a cold pan, take 3 egg yolks. Half cup sliced chicken breast. 6 slices galangal or Thai ginger. 3/4 cup tomato sauce. Half cup chili sauce. 2 teaspoons red chili powder. 2 tablespoons sugar. 3 teaspoons salt. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 3 tablespoons cornflour and water mixture. Break the egg yolks and mix well. Add 6 slices of lemongrass. 5 cups water. Give a good mix. Now turn on the heat. At first, we have to cook for 10 minutes in high heat. When it will start boil, add 2 green chilies, breaking them in middle. You have to stir continuously, otherwise it will stick in bottom. After 10 minutes of high heat cooking, you have to cook for 5 minutes more in medium heat. Almost done. Time to turn off the heat. Enjoy! You can find the wonton recipe in description.